In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in ManyChat. Tags are simple, powerful labels you attach to contacts so you can organize your audience, understand their interests, and target the right people with the right message at the right time. Think of tags like folders or sticky notes that help you keep track of who engaged with a campaign, clicked a link, or needs a follow-up. Let's walk through it together from within your workspace. First, head to Audience, then open Contacts. This is where you'll see everyone in your database and the details ManyChat stores for each person. Choose any contact you'd like to work with. If you're just testing, pick a contact you're comfortable using for practice. Opening a contact brings up their profile where you can view activity, conversations, and attributes tied to that individual. On the contact profile, find the option that says Add Tag. Go ahead and click it. You'll see a field where you can type the name of a new tag. Use a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will recognize later. For example, you might reflect an action, a campaign, or a stage in your customer journey. Keep it short, specific, and consistent with whatever naming style your team prefers. Consistency is key here. It prevents duplicate or confusing tags down the road. Start typing your new tag name. If a tag with that name already exists, ManyChat will show it so you can select it. If it doesn't exist yet, simply press Enter to create it. That single keystroke both creates the tag and applies it to the open contact. You should now see the tag appear on the contact's profile, confirming it's in place and ready to use. A couple of quick tips to make your tagging strategy work smoothly. Avoid special characters that might make searching harder. Decide on a standard format, like all lowercase with dashes or simple title case, and stick to it. Use tags sparingly and purposefully. Too many overlapping tags can make filtering and reporting more complicated than it needs to be. If you notice a typo or want to refine your naming later, you can adjust your tags to keep your system clean and understandable. That's all there is to it. You went to Audience, opened Contacts, selected a contact, clicked Add Tag, typed a new tag name, and pressed Enter. With that, you've created and applied a tag in ManyChat, setting yourself up for better segmentation, smarter automation, and clearer insights across your audience.